So whilst that is happening, I'll just grate my eggplants for my eggplant fritters. So I'll go ahead and grate my 2 eggplants and I'll be right back. So here's my grated eggplant. My next step for this dish would be to put it in a muslin bag and squeeze the liquid out of it. It has to be really dry. So I'll be back with a muslin bag and we'll squeeze that out. So here I have a lovely muslin bag here. Just get it all in here. Oh. And we'll begin a squeezing process. So here we are, the muslin bag, and we'll just squeeze the liquid. Get all that liquid out of there. And there is a lot of liquid, and I didn't even put any salt on it. Salt draws the liquid out. Quite a bit of liquid was in there. So we just get rid of this. Let that rest. We'll turn that out into a bowl in a minute. So I did the first squeeze after I grated it. After I grated it, I did a first squeeze. But it's still damp. It's still feeling damp to me. So I'll just add here a teaspoon of salt, just a teaspoon of salt, and mix that in. So as I said before my battery went out, I put a teaspoon of salt in the grated eggplant, and I'm going to just mix this in, and I let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes so that it would draw some more of the liquid out, and then I'll do another squeeze. Okay, so we'll be right back. So the eggplant fritters, I added 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of flour. I seasoned it with a little complete seasoning and a little bit of salt and some parsley and cilantro. So that's what's in there. And I'm frying it. Should take maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes on each side. But we'll check it. Once it's golden brown on one side, we just flip it over and just continue the process. So as I'm checking them, they're nice and golden brown on one side. I just got my stove down to medium. And flipping them over. Give it a minute, 1 minute on the second side, and you'll be good. So it probably would take 3 minutes total, and your stove would be at I put my stove at the lowest because I don't think I know it's gonna build up, so, or either shut it off, so, and just let it use the residual heat from the burner. Okay, once we're done, we'll be back. So we'll go with, this is my universal sauce. It's just mayonnaise, ketchup, mayonnaise, ketchup, a little bit of mustard, and I put some hot pepper, some pepper sauce in there, and it's usually fantastic. The outside is nice and crisp. These are my eggplant fritters. It's nice and crisp on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. Lots of flavor. Awesome. Once again, guys, if you try this, you'll always want to do it. Awesome. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip.